Hi, today we'll cook delicious chicken breast with rice. We'll need to chicken breast, 300 grams rice, 200 grams cheese, tomatoes, red pepper, carrot, parsnip, mushroom. But you can add any vegetables you like. First, we'll make the seasoning mix for the chicken. In 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. We cut some lines into the chicken breast. Grease the breast with the mix of oil. Cut the tomatoes in small slices. Put cheese in all the pockets. Then add the tomato slices. Put more cheese on top if you like. Put the rice in boiling water. Cut all the vegetables in small pieces. Grate the carrots and the parsnip. Cut the mushrooms in slices. In a pan, add some oil and cook the vegetables. Put the chicken in the oven at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. Season the vegetables. Then add the rice without the water. Mix well and season more if you want. A quick, easy and delicious dinner. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for new videos every week.